us on an exciting journey to discover unique agricultural and forestry machines you may have never seen before. These innovative devices not only boost productivity, but also amaze with their cutting-edge technology. Ready to explore? Watch the video now. Have you ever thought of a barber's clipper, but instead of cutting hair, it trims overgrown bushes? That's exactly what the John Deere 7N30 branch trimmer is. A giant version of the clipper, not for humans, but for nature. Just as we need a haircut after a while to look tidy, landscapes also need some grooming to regain their neat and clean appearance. With its powerful performance and optimized design, the John Deere 7N30 works as a dedicated stylist for the environment, clearing dense vegetation and restoring order to the surroundings. A machine that's both robust and refined, perfect for those who value the beauty of a well-maintained natural space. Have you ever witnessed the colossal wood shredders in action? These machines are like the gluttonous kings of the industrial world, ready to devour anything fed into them. Wasting no time, they crush wood into tiny fragments in the blink of an eye. The end product, from fine sawdust used as bedding for livestock farms to raw materials for pellet production, is incredibly versatile. Truly, these are marvels of engineering, blending sheer power with precision, enabling wood processing with remarkable efficiency and speed. A vivid testament to the extraordinary advancements of modern technology. In the rainy forest, along steep, slippery, and challenging trails, a mighty tractor emerges like a hero of the wilderness. Behind it, a massive steel arm tirelessly hoists enormous logs with precision and strength. Its powerful tracks grip the ground tightly, conquering every steep incline and rugged path with unyielding determination. Slowly but steadily, this machine not only carries the precious timber, but also marks the beginning of a journey to create the forestry products we use every day. A symphony of technological might and the majesty of nature, unstoppable and awe-inspiring. The Kesla 28, a masterpiece of technology in the forestry industry, is the ultimate choice for all modern logging needs. Equipped with cutting-edge technology and exceptional operational performance, the Kesla 28 perfectly handles everything from large-scale projects to tasks requiring high precision. With a compact design and robust construction, this machine can be easily mounted on excavators, tractors, or specialized forestry vehicles, offering maximum versatility. Notably, its optimized weight not only reduces overall load, but also enhances mobility, ensuring powerful performance even in the densest forests. A comprehensive solution for those seeking efficiency and innovation in forestry operations. In the world of forestry, the process of transforming wood into products is a meticulous and complex journey, starting from the harvesting of valuable timber to turning it into everyday essential products. This journey requires not only high-level skills, but also the support of high-performance machines to ensure optimal quality and productivity. Once the logs are transported to the factory, the first step in the processing chain is to remove the bark, an important yet challenging task. Modern sanding and peeling machines not only strip away the tough outer bark, but also polish the wood, preparing it for the next processing stages. With bark that can be thick and difficult to handle, these machines need to possess incredible power and precision to complete the task efficiently. This is where modern technology and craftsmanship come together, ensuring that each piece of wood meets the highest standards before moving on to the next steps.